Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 5 key troubleshooting points to check within your Yahoo Mail settings to ensure your messages aren't getting lost in cyberspace. We'll go from the simplest to the most advanced settings. Before diving into the settings, let's try the simplest thing: refresh the page. Sometimes, a connection error or a temporary server loading issue is enough to stop you from receiving emails. Simply refresh your browser by pressing F5 or the reload button. If you're lucky, this will do the trick. If refreshing doesn't work, the next obvious place where emails are getting lost is the spam folder. Look at the navigation panel to the left of your inbox. Click the 3-line or 3-dot icon to open the main menu. Select the spam or junk mail option. Review carefully. Make sure the emails you're expecting haven't been mistakenly filtered as spam by Yahoo. If you find one, mark it as not spam so that future messages from that sender will reach your main inbox. Filters are great for organization, but a misconfigured filter can divert important emails to hidden folders or, worse, the trash. Go back to the left-hand menu and navigate to Settings. In the left-hand Settings menu, find and select Filters. Review in detail. Look at all your active filters. Are there any that are set to send emails from a specific sender directly to the trash? Or that move all emails with certain keywords to a folder you rarely check? Modify or delete. Modify or delete any filters you suspect are interfering with receiving your emails. Sometimes we block someone and then forget we did, preventing us from receiving important emails. Within Settings, go to the left and select Security and Privacy. Look for the Blocked Addresses section. Review the list. Make sure the email addresses of people who need to send you messages, like your boss or a notification service, aren't on this block list. If you find an address you want to unblock, select it and remove it from the block list. This is a rarer error, but can happen if you use multiple accounts. Within Settings, go to Mailboxes. Click on your primary Yahoo email address. Look for the Reply to Address option. Verification. Make sure this address is correctly set up under your own Yahoo email address. If it's set to another email address, your reply to messages might be going to the wrong mailbox. After checking these 5 points, your problem receiving emails in Yahoo Mail should be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you, and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.